Namaste and welcome to day 4 of the 30 days meditation challenge. If you have not signed up yet and want to join, then just click in the description in the link there. So today we will explore the meditation technique third eye meditation. This is a very exciting one where the focus is between the eyebrows in your third eye or your pineal gland. So as you know, we always have an anchor when we meditate that we bring our attention back to, and it's not like mantra like last time or the breath. The anchor will be your third eye, and I will guide you through how to find that in the meditation. When you meditate on your third eye, you help with opening it, and opening your third eye has many benefits. Okay, you reach a higher level of consciousness, and it's a gateway to higher dimensions. So a very exciting technique, and all you need to do is sit down in a comfortable position with a straight back. Okay, place your hands wherever it feels comfortable for you. It could be in the lap, on your legs. If you can't sit up like this without anything holding your back, then you can sit on a chair. If you're sitting down, then definitely sit on a pillow. So that will really help to bring your back up and feel comfortable. So now, close your eyes. Take a deep breath through your nose. And breathe out through the nose. Now focus your attention between your eyebrows. Imagine a little miniature version of you standing in between your eyebrows. You don't need to look up there, just keep your eyes natural and relaxed. Just put your attention between your eyebrows. Now start to walk the little miniature version of you into your head, behind the eyes, and between your ears. Imagine sitting down on a chair there and meditate. Keep your attention between your ears. This is where your third eye is located. And when you meditate on your third eye, you help opening it up, and you open yourself up to higher dimensions. Just be here. Don't try to force any deep breaths, just let it be natural. Clear your head of any thoughts. Just sit on your chair between your ears and be. If any thoughts come up, if you start to itch, just let it be. Don't judge yourself. Just bring your attention lovingly back to between your ears and your third eye. Don't judge yourself if thoughts pop up. That is completely natural. But with time, the pauses between your thoughts will become longer and longer. So just return your attention to your third eye when that happens. Take a deep breath now, keeping your eyes closed. Exhale. Now rub your palms together, creating some heat, and put them on your eyes. Cover your eyes with your hands. Slowly open your eyes and remove your hands. Let me know in the comments how your meditation went, and thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day.